This here is the Green River here in Utah. I had always assumed that it was, the river from John Fogerty's CCR, Creedence Clearwater Revival. But apparently it's not, because I came down here today and there was a guy on the sandbar over there with his ATV fishing. And he rolled up here where my van was parked originally. I was parked right up here. He told me that John Fogerty's Green River was based on a river on the East Coast. So, what do I know? Hey Luca, why don't you come over here and say what's up to the camera real quick? So anyways, I pulled up over here to this spot, which is nicer. It's not in the dirt. And there's some leftover wood to burn here. Plus I bought a bundle of firewood there. That's good hard firewood. And then there's my van, and I got 2 fire pits. A big one and a small one. And just over here through the trees, once again, is the Green River. It looks like a dirty river, but hey, quit drinking that. But it's not really dirty. I mean, it's just the way the water looks here, I guess. We are in the town of Jensen, the nearby location to what is known as the Dinosaur National Monument. And I plan on going and checking that out tomorrow and taking you guys along for the ride. I'm not sure if this is still used or not. I'm not sure if I'm on public land or private land right here. But hopefully nobody minds and shoots me. But if they do, there will be a gunfight. And I guess I'm going to go ahead and walk back to camp here. And tonight I'm going to make a couple homemade pizzas. All right, here's all my pizza ingredients. Let's turn the light on. So I have these Chipotle cheddar sausages. I'm gonna cook one of these up first and cut that up for one of the pizzas. And then I just have the pepperoni cup and crisp pepperoni slices. I have some mozzarella whole milk cheese, and then I have some mozzarella finely shredded, some garlic, some mushroom pasta sauce, and this is the dough. That's all the stuff that's in my oven when I'm not using the oven. I have my toaster, I have my mittens, I have my smash burger tool here, and my pot. So I have to take all that out of the oven so I can use the oven. Go ahead and cook a sausage first, and then we're going to make some pizza. Before I cook this sausage up, I'm going to do one thing that my mom actually taught me recently, and it's not rocket science or anything, but it's nothing I've thought of doing before. And it's just to simply remove the casing from the sausage so you don't have to bite through that when you're eating it. And it's super awesome. So you just take a scissors and kind of run the scissors through. Once you get it cut done, you can just peel the casing off. And one thing I've started to do on my own is just kind of roll the sausage out. And you can make it longer and skinnier at the same time. All right, we got all the ingredients here. We have the sausage that I cooked up, and I have the doughs rolled out here. This is on parchment paper. Make sure you use parchment paper and not wax paper. Wax paper will burn in your oven, and your pizza dough will actually stick to it. All right, sauce, cheese, toppings, let's go. Let me show you guys what that looks like. There you go, that's the pizza. We got the sausages, got the pepperonis, we got the sauce, we got the cheeses. Let's see if the oven's still going. And it is. This is a miracle. This never happens. So there's no way to tell when it's preheated. You just guess. So I'm gonna wait, 15 minutes and or whatever. You can throw the pizza in whenever you want, I guess. I might just throw it in after I'm done making the other pizza. As long as the oven's on, it'll cook. Just like that. And there she sits. Oven's still running, thank God. So I'll keep an eye on the oven, make sure it continues to run, but we'll let that cook for probably about 20 minutes. Hopefully it cooks well. And once that one's done, we'll toss the other one in. Meanwhile, the sun's about to go down, so I think I'm gonna launch the drone here, get some shots while the pizza's cooking, and get a fire going here as well. It really is a nice night tonight, nice and peaceful. No wind at all, which was great. I think we're good to go on this one. Let's yank her out of there. Oh yeah, that's gonna be real good. All right, let's toss the other one in. Let's cut it up. Just like, it's gonna be hot. Fold it in half like a New York style pizza there. It's good. Ooh, it's hot. I can't wait. I gotta keep eating it. So long, camp. You have been quite peaceful, but it is time to move on. Today we are heading into the Dinosaur National Monument, and I hope I can grab a camp spot. I looked yesterday, and there are spots reservable, but only for one night, which is tonight. And I wouldn't mind staying 2 nights if possible. And it's only 9:30 right now, so hopefully I can get there and get a spot. But before I do that, I could really use a shower. And there is a place just down the road here called Outlaw Trail Campground. Let's go. Awesome, we're getting a shower in, guys. This young lady was super nice, and she said to park right next to the building here and get yourself a shower. Let's go clean ourselves up a little bit, eh? Hope you guys enjoyed my shower. That's cool angles. All right, well, I need to get, they called me. The place called me. What dial? Children? Anyways, it's hot in here. Let's crank up the AC real quick. Oh my God. Luca, you doing all right back there? It generally stays cooler in the back, but Okay, guys. Next thing, free potable water spigot next to the basketball court. Free potable water spigot next to the basketball court. Should be right in here somewhere. Not seeing anything to fill up water with. Right next to the basketball courts is what the description had said, but I am not seeing anything that's obvious. And that's just the way it goes sometimes. We'll just have to see if the campground in the Dinosaur National Monument Park has any water. So I stopped here at this Sinclair travel station, got some gas and bought some stuff from inside, and asked her if they have any drinking water I can use to fill up my van. And she said, oh goodness, yes, please do. She said we have a hose on one side and a hose on the other side. Be our guests, which was really cool. So that's awesome. Right. Would you look at that? Got a shower in today and got my tanks topped off. Now I have probably about 25 gallons of water. Should last me till I get back to Denver to my brother's house in a couple of days. We are off to the park. We will see you guys in a bit. We're gonna see some real life dinosaur bones.